Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to Tejus Education. In today's video, we are going to learn about automobile industry. The previous video was based on cement industry. Hope you have all gone through that video. Do like, share and subscribe Tejus Education. Let's learn about automobile industry. We are going to learn how this industry has established itself in India, what are the factors that contributed for its success, where it is located, and also an important question that usually is asked from this particular topic for board exam. After liberalization, the coming in of new and contemporary models stimulated the demand for vehicles in the market, which led to healthy growth of industry. So, with the ease in the policy, liberalization means government gave more freedom for private investors. So, more and more new models started arriving in Indian automobile market. So there was demand for certain vehicles. So there was a healthy competition between them. This led to growth of this industry. If you see, industrialization happened in Germany, then in Japan, then in Europe. German and Japanese cars are world renowned for their qualities. Now these cars are easily available in the Indian market and people can buy whichever car they like according to their like. This industry experienced quantum leap in last 15 years. Foreign direct investment brought in new technology, aligned the industry with global development. Now this industry is on par with other industries in the world, other automobile industries of other countries. That's what I meant. So industrialization led to globalization, globalization led to liberalization. There are 15 manufacturers of passenger cars and multi-utility vehicles. Passenger cars, Tata Indica, Maruti Suzuki, multi-utility vehicles, big-bodied cars, Mahindra Bolero, where 6 adults can easily sit. 9 of commercial vehicles, truck, lorry, 14 of 2 and 3 wheelers, 2 bike, scooter, 3 wheelers, tuk-tuk or auto. Now let's learn where this industry is located. It is located around Delhi, Gurgaon, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur and Bengaluru. You can learn this for map question. Now let's learn one important question which they ask in board exam. What are the disadvantages of automobile industry? For 2 marks. Kindly write the answer in the comment section. We will discuss the answer in the next video. We have to work hard to achieve success. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe Tejus Education. All the best for your upcoming board exam. Thanks again.